Now, the UK intelligence agencies are to give secret evidence to MPs about the about the decision to drop espionage charges against two men accused of spying on Parliament for China. Senior officers from MI5 ministries and government officials are expected to answer questions from the Common Intelligence Security Committee about their involvement in the case against Christopher Berry and Chris Cash, which was dropped by prosecutors last month. Now, the British government has denied stepping in to halt the prosecution as part of the wider attempt to improve trade relations with China before an expected trip to Beijing by Keir Starmer next year. It said it was a decision made by prosecutors who relied on language used by the previous government in its China policy. Cash, who is a former director of the China research group think tank, and Berry were arrested in March of 2023, and in April the following year were charged with passing politically sensitive information to a Chinese intelligence agent. Critics have questioned the government's claim, saying they have been told the evidence against the two men was compelling at the time they were charged. MI5 was involved in the police investigation into Cash and Berry, and evidence was passed to prosecutors to consider. Now, that evidence was the catalyst for the decision in April last year to charge them. However, the decision was reversed last month after the Crown Prosecution Service said there had been an evidential failure. The ISC is expected to speak to the Security Service, senior government officials, and ministers to establish what the failure was. Depending on its initial analysis, it could start investigation.